Good. Yeah, you gotta wait on the starter. Go ahead. Go. There it is. It's running. Well, it starts. I do have an oil leak coming off the back of that valve cover gasket there. So I gotta get that taken care of. Other than that, I gotta get the timing completely set. The rattling you hear, remember I said it only had what, I don't know how many bolts it has in the converter. So I do have to check that. That's that rattling noise you hear right when it shut down. So I got to get that taken care of. Get underneath there and do that, but at least she runs. So there it is, guys. Now I can just do other things, I guess, with it. Turn that back on a little bit. So, yeah. No dirt getting down in there. Alright. So now I can continue with everything else. Mark is on vacation this week, like I think I said that. I'm losing everything off the finger I had on there. So yeah, I gotta get, like I said, I gotta get that back off the pulley down there so I can get that adjusted. Now I can start finishing up the rest of it, so I don't have to worry about, is the motor bad, it won't run, won't start, whatever, and I'm wasting my time. So now I know I'm not wasting my time. So, all right. No fuel leak. I had one over there, remember, but none. The carburetor hasn't been touched in that long period of time, and there's no. I took the bolt off here, and it looked clean as all get out. So no gasket leaking up through here. Oh, I got to adjust the floats though in it still after I get it running. That could be a problem why it won't stay running, because the floats might not be adjusted right. So. Get looking at that. I got my battery charger hooked to it because I just didn't know how long I was going to crank on it, so I didn't want the battery to go dead on me and then have to wait on it to charge up to keep trying to test it out. I did pick up a little bit, Jeff. That's the extension cord. I did pick up a little bit. These are all empty boxes through here though. All through here is empty boxes. Most of that crap's empty boxes. Did already have a screwdriver out there though. Yeah. Check these. I doubt if I can do it one-handed, but we'll see. Flipping all around here. I just want to see. Well, look at there. Vacuum leak here, and I forgot about that. Vacuum leak here. There should be another one down there too. See, I got too much in a hurry. Or did I plug that one? Well, actually, it's not even hooked to the booster, so there's another vacuum leak. No wonder it won't stay running. Nope. I feel another one way down there. There's another vacuum leak. No wonder it doesn't stay running. There's one here, one down there. And that one way down there has to go to the transmission. So that one goes way down there. So there you go. No wonder. I got too much in a hurry thinking I had everything and I didn't. Hey, I'm not perfect. By no means. So yeah. Damn, I'm gonna have to get that from the other side. But anyway, and then that one went to the shifter, so I'm gonna have to just plug that. I got some plugs up there. So yeah, I'm gonna plug that up. Still can do that. I know this ain't the way you adjust them, I know that, but it looks like it's all the way. There's some coming out, so at least they're not low. Could be high, but at least they ain't low. Well, there's coming out, so alright, cool. They could be high. I'll have to get to that when I get everything else adjusted, or get everything plugged up on it. Alright. Let me get that. Let me get the valve cover back off. See why it's doing that. So I don't leak anymore and smoke anymore. So I'm gonna get that back off and figure that out. Yeah, I got it off. And it could be just these junky chrome valve covers, you know. I ran them back in my day, and yeah, I do have the blue where it's rubber. That could be a problem, who knows. Especially with these. Might have to run back to cork. I don't know. Chrome won't get you home, is that the saying? Yeah. So, there's no issues. No pinched. Nothing. I just have to figure out why. Maybe you have to go back to cork, but I got the blue one on that side over there and it worked fine. I don't have any leaks on the other side. It's just on this one side, so figure it out. I don't know if I got another. I got rid of all my small block stuff. Still got 1-inch spacer, carb. Still got my original door handles for the car. My shifter plate there. Some gaskets back there. I got a, what is that, a 1/2-inch spacer? Yeah, 1/2-inch carb spacer right there. Yeah, I got all kinds of shit. Tried to give it to my neighbor, he didn't want it. So anyway, back to that. I'm gonna put it back on until the next time I get it running. I'll see if it leaks. I think I got everything tight on it. I readjusted it, so we're gonna find out, dang it. So, get that. Now it's back down to here on these, and I'm gonna turn the wheel where it's facing, or the ass end of it's facing towards me, and I'm gonna make sure these are centered. Get the calipers on. I got to do the other side. I waited on him, but I'm not waiting on him. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it and get it over with. So he brought all the stuff to get it done. I got to lock everything else in, lock it all in, and get everything done. So that's what I'm gonna do. Till next time, I just wanted to show you guys it was running, or it started. So like I said, I'm going. Like and subscribe, guys. I do appreciate it. Thank you. Till next time.